Are you tired of constantly searching for accurate and profitable signals in the gold market? It's time to look for a powerful and intelligent tool that helps you stay a step ahead in the volatile gold market and better catch trends. With this revolutionary product, there's no need for complex analyses and spending long hours finding entry and exit points. TW Volume Signal Pro, using artificial intelligence technology and advanced algorithms, provides you with precise signals along with SL and TP, based on the volume oscillator designed by the TradeWizards team. With this product, you can accurately identify market trends and make the best trading decisions in the least amount of time possible. So if you're looking for an intelligent assistant to complement your trading strategy and save your valuable time, don't miss this video and trade in the gold market with more confidence as you get acquainted with the amazing features of this product. Important features of TW Volume Signal Pro is reliable signals. This product offers signals with SL and TP using its special algorithm, and after the signal is released, it will not change them or repaint the indicator. Smart alerts, flash alerts, and precise price numbers for entry, take profit, and stop loss allow you to ensure that you don't miss any opportunities. Professional risk management. By providing 3 profit target areas, you can manage your trade risks and maximize your profits. Safe stop loss. Our product protects your capital by setting stop losses in a safe location. Customization options. The ability to turn off signals and adjust various settings allows you to tailor this product to your trading style. Easy testing and evaluation. The table next to the chart displays all past signals and target calculations, allowing you to assess the product's performance in a tester. Functionality in various markets. TW Volume Signal Pro is not only usable in the gold market, but also across all currency markets, providing excellent results. Specialized for scalpers. This product is specifically designed for scalpers who operate in short time frames like 5 and 15 minutes. You can install and test the product for free using the link provided in the description. Our TradeWizards support team is always ready to answer your questions. For tutorials, the latest news, and achieving easy financial gains in these high-risk markets, follow our channel.